Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna unbox and review Infire E18. So it is a 14 pound, 3.5 to 4 hours of battery, which is 35 hours in total, Bluetooth 5.0, stereo mode, noise isolation. That seem to be the most highlighted features. Let me unbox this and try this and see if it's worth it or not. It is compatible with both Apple and Android. Charging cable, it's going to be a micro USB to USB-A. That's your charging cable. Let's put that aside. Your user manual, take it out, ready to pair, double tap and next and play. So press MP to play and pause, double press key to skip the next song. You may adjust the volume through your cell phone, so it doesn't seem to be having volume control. So let's try this and see how this works. Box, it's a very small box. You can put your hands. It doesn't gonna show much of a fingerprints and all that. Micro USB intake, they're quite small. It's not a big headphone, it's very small earbuds. You do get a small plastic to take it out and put them on to charge. You do that same on the other side. So you have a full 3 flash saying it's a fully charged. If you're saying 2 flash is half charged. If you say 1 charge is just a bit charged. That is not a good thing to have in a headphone. You should have a different lights colors indicating is it charged or not. So if the most standard is a red, it's not charged, yellow partly charged, and green is fully charged. So let me take it out. That is automatically paired itself. It is ready to pair. So the minute I take it out of the case, it's ready to pair. I don't need to do anything to connect. On the headphones, it is already showed up in my list. It's pretty simple to pair. It's the easiest headphone I ever paired. Let's see how the magnet works. So you can see it stays in the case, and if I take this out and go to my Bluetooth, it is automatically paired to my phones, so I don't need to pair every time. So the ear fit is very tight. Even without music, it's actually reduced outside noise. It's like noise isolation. Let's try the song. So let's put the volume down. So it is clear. So that's pause, play, next song, double tap. It's not a tap, it's like a button. So you have to like double press. Let's go to next. On the left for the double press for the next song. On the right, you have the pause and play. The bass is decent. It's not like, oh wow, it's really good. No, it's okay. There seems to be like no audio leak. I'm very impressed by the size of the earbuds. Half of the size of the most of the wireless headphones. Let's watch songs. I quite like the song, so let's see if that songs have same kind of bass. Not that loud for sure for this song. I always listen to my headphone in the full volume, but this not that much loud, but at the same time it's not like too low. But surprisingly, there is no delays. I was expecting like for the headphone in that price range, I am expecting like to be more have issues on the connectivity, going to be delays, but seem to be decent. So far there is no delays on the audio. I'll listen to something else. So far I can read the lyrics, at the same time I'm hearing exactly the same words. So YouTube always try to optimize the audio, so therefore you don't normally get that much delays if you are mainly watching from YouTube. So no delays. Let's see the songs. That's my like one of my go-to songs to listen to, because I like a lot of different artist voice. That's pretty much help you to decide is how the audio is. Yeah, the bass is not that great. It's okay bass. So let's watch a James May. Clear. So the audio pretty clear. No delays to video to audio. They are quite tight fit, so you can use it for sports. They don't fall off. Tight in your ears. You barely even adjust the headphones once you put the right earbuds. Pretty small earbuds. Very tight fit in your ears. Quality wise, audio is decent. You don't get that much of a bass. They are not that loud earbuds, but is for the price. Is quite decent. Looking for like a decent pair of headphones, just want to try out wireless headphones before you want to invest on a expensive pair of earbuds. I would say the Reinforce 5. They're very simple, open up, ready to pair. Audio is very clear, no delays so far. I have tried them for almost a week. No delays, no distortion on the audio. You don't get much bass, but it's decent. The volume is going to be controlled by your mobile phone. There is no audio control on the earbuds, so it's pretty much your mobile phone's volume is going to be the highest volume. Phone call decent. It's not that of a if you're comparing with the AirPods or anything, you don't come close to it. And if I had the Samsung bud, I can show you once. Okay, so that is going to be my Samsung earbuds. That is going to be the Reinforce ones. They are very small. They are smaller than the Samsung earbuds. So if you guys are interested in a very small pair of earbuds, I'll leave the link below for Amazon. If you guys are interested in it, it's just £40. Give it a try. If you don't like it, it's okay. You're not losing much money. If you guys enjoy this video, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more video like this. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.